And the Mumbai police has intensified its probe into Republic TV's fake TRP racket. We here at India Today have accessed the digital proof of how Republic TV fixed ratings and cheated you viewers. Yes, they fixed ratings. On your screens right now are the visuals of Vishal Bhandari's Google Pay statement. In these visuals, it is amply clearly visible that Vishal Bhandari sent 500 and 400 rupees to certain households to watch Republic TV. Remember, these are the households where the TRP meters are fixed. Mumbai police has also recovered a diary from him that is named and names all the TRP meters, the households, and according to the police, they have recorded the statement of the members of these households, and all of them have confirmed that Republic TV was paying them to watch their channel. The police have also received data to corroborate spike in Republic views on these meters. Munish Pandey is now joining us live for the very latest. Munish, this is huge. This is a big cheating racket as far as TRP is concerned. And the Mumbai police recovering a diary with all this digital trace of the Google payments also being made completely nails the lies of Republic TV that is just busy in mudslinging. But the fact of the matter is the viewers are being cheated. The advertisers are being taken for a ride.
Absolutely, Chaiti. And now what Mumbai police claims at this point of time is that Vishal Bhandari is a person who was in position to place the barometers. He was aware that who are the households who are poor, who can be influenced by just giving 400, 500 rupees, and that is why these barometers were placed. Now, apart from that, how it was working, when Mumbai police started interrogating Vishal Bhandari, they came across a diary which has several entries of households. When these households were interrogated by Mumbai police, they told them that basically they were given money by Vishal Bhandari and they were asked to watch a particular news channel, and that was Republic TV. And this is a very strong evidence because what Mumbai police is doing, they are going to record statement of Vishal Bhandari under section 164 of CRPC. That is recording a statement before a magistrate and it will become an evidence. When they also started recording statement of the households, they also said that we have money transactions between Vishal Bhandari and us, which shows that Republic TV paid money to watch their channel. And this was not only, cheating with the public, but also with the advertisers, as you were mentioning earlier. Now, why it is cheating? Because as a news channel, you are supposed to inform the public, you are supposed to report truth. But here what Republic TV was doing, they were forcing someone to watch their channel, and also they were cheating the advertisers on the basis of TRP numbers. So Mumbai police seems to be investigating this case very thoroughly. They have got two evidence. One is the statement by the witnesses in the case who have named Republic TV.
Yes.
They also have the money transaction between households and Vishal Bhandari, and what they are going to do further is that they will be recording these statements before a magistrate, and then they will find a link between who was paying Vishal Bhandari from Republic TV to watch their own channels.
Oh, absolutely, Munish, and the digital trace is also with us here at India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.